Here at Sprima, we're looking to revolutionize biometric security market. This year, we have released 2 key products that will serve as a cornerstone of the revolution. First, we released BioStar 2, our biometric open security platform that will serve as a basis for all the future terminals to come. Second, we have released BioStation 2, our ultra high performance fingerprint access control and time attendant terminal. Here we have BioStation 2 that will change how biometrics are infused with security. Now, BioStation 2 is highlighted by its reliability and high performance. It proves this by its ability to maintain high performance even when it's pushed against its limits. BioStation 2 is the evolution of our bestseller, BioStation. Now, we seek to improve BioStation in every way possible, so we have completely redesigned BioStation 2 inside and out. You'll first notice that it features an enlarged 2.8-inch color LCD display. And along with a refreshed UI, it promises to give users an enhanced user experience. The device features IP65 rated exterior, giving it protection against the environment, allowing it for indoor as well as outdoor installation. It gives versatility to system designers and as well as system installers alike. Now, the device features touch capacitive keys on the outside, giving it accuracy as well as durability throughout its use. BioStation 2 also features dramatic performance improvements. At the heart of the performance improvement, the BioStation 2 features 1 GHz Cortex CPU that gives the terminal ability to scan, process, and match fingerprint near real time, providing instant authentication for users. BioStation 2 also features new revolutionary optical sensor that maintains scanning performances even when the finger conditions are not ideal by accommodating fingers that are wet or dry that used to pose issues during authentication process. Now, the device also has what we call an auto-on feature, as you saw here, that will only activate the sensor when the finger is placed on top, extending the life cycle of the sensor and maximizing user convenience. Improvements to performance has been matched with massive memory capacity we have given to BioStation 2. The device can now hold up to 500,000 user data, which is equivalent to population of metropolitan area of Miami. BioStation 2 now can send and transmit data to BioStar 2 server at blazing speed using asynchronous data transfer methods to ensure maximum usability. These endless improvements to BioStation 2 will keep your assets protected, and use of true identity with biometrics, we have no doubt BioStation 2 will set a new standard in security. BioStar 2, a web-based biometric security platform, extends beyond the boundaries of a single system and evolves into a platform that will serve as a basis for a number of different security software solutions. It is an open platform that provides easy integration with other systems such as video surveillance, time attendance, or building management through extension framework or web APIs. Today, I would like to demonstrate the superior usability of BioStar 2 and show how easy and simple it is to exploit the benefits of the platform. BioStar 2 supports simple installation that will complete with few clicks. The installation doesn't require additional setup of web and database server on the installed computer. Now I'll go ahead and install BioStar 2 on this computer to show you how easy and simple it is. Now that the installation has completed, I will access BioStar 2 on this computer to show that it has installed successfully. BioStar 2, being a web-based system, you can access through a web browser that is not restricted by device or operating system. Also, as a benefit of a web-based system, client software installation is not required and gives user true access freedom. And now, to show its freedom, we'll access BioStar 2 using this Android tablet. In case you're worried about security with all the freedom you have gained, BioStar 2 have been designed with security in mind and support HTTPS connection that can be selected in settings. I will now go ahead and change the setup to suit a secure HTTPS protocol. Once the protocol is selected, all sensitive data that are being transferred between the server and the client are protected. One of the difficulties with distributed access control system faces is searching and adding devices to the system. BioStar 2 supports server mode by default that allows the device to be automatically detected by the server. All you have to do is set the devices in server mode and wait for the system to detect them. Once you see the devices that are in standby, you can add them to the system individually or add multiple devices at once. After the terminal are added to the system will now have to transfer the user data onto the terminals. Right now, the terminal has no data and will not authenticate myself, and I will demonstrate. Enrolling user data into the system is a single screen process that is intuitive with a newly refreshed interface on BioStar 2. Once the user is successfully registered, you can manually select terminals for data transfer, or by default, the system supports automatic synchronization feature that will automatically update database in the devices whenever changes are made to the user on the server. Without hassle, the data is transferred and is ready to use. Now, I will go ahead and register myself onto the BioStar 2 server. Once the fingerprint has been scanned, we'll click Apply to take changes in effect. Now that you can see that I've been registered, now we'll go ahead and test automatic synchronization feature by trying it on different devices. You have seen firsthand how easy and simple it is to install and use BioStar 2. The system was installed with a single click and without requiring installation of any additional client software. We were able to access the system without restriction from operating system or device. The new automatic features simplify the process of registering device and users, and any changes are automatically synchronized. The most important aspect of physical security is securing scalability and reliability within the system. Also, one of the key elements that helps to achieve such characteristics is high performance of the system. BioStar 2 architectural philosophy was based on securing such aspects, and to demonstrate, we have prepared a simulation where 500 BioStation 2 terminals will process 20,000 users at a single site. As you can see, that there are 20,000 users currently enrolled within the system. BioStar 2 is built with efficiency in mind and is optimized to operate on little resource as possible. We'll test the system by transferring 20,000 users to 500 devices at once to see the power of the new system architecture. The system is currently conducting a total of 10 million user data transfers. You can see that the system is using very little resource. The asynchronous data transfer mechanism ensures that the data is transferred quickly and the device doesn't have to go offline during the process. I will show you that you can still go ahead and use the terminal while the transfer is taking place. As you can see, the terminal is usable while the transfer is taking place. Now that the transfer is complete, we'll experiment the high traffic environment with commuting IR scenario that will push the limits of the system. For this experiment, we have loaded a test firmware and switched on auto identification mode of the device. The devices are currently reporting authentication entries randomly across the system. We'll check by looking at the real-time log reports that are being updated on the system. As you can see, that even while the network and the system is being put through its paces, the server is operating normally. Now we'll demonstrate one of the key strengths of BioStar 2, which are its ability to cope under network failures. Even when in case of network failure, the distributed intelligence of the system will allow the terminals to continue provide secure access and collect logs. Once the network has been recovered, the locally collected logs will be transferred to the system automatically without hassle. Now we'll demonstrate by disconnecting network connection between the server and the device by unplugging the network cables. The systems show that the devices are disconnected and the logs are no longer being recorded. Even though that the network is disconnected, the device will still function normally. Now I'll go ahead and authenticate on one of the devices. As you can see, the device is functioning normally and they are authenticating and collecting logs locally on the device. Once we re-establish the network, the system will restore the connection to all of the devices quickly and resend the logs from where the connection was lost. With what we are able to achieve through BioStar 2, we now truly offer a system that will ensure reliability and high performance in any condition through optimization and new architectural design. We view BioStar 2 as a revolution and new direction of what security software can achieve, and in many ways, a new beginning.